Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel a hotel booking on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Expedia mobile app and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the trips icon. This will show you all your upcoming or past bookings. Find the hotel reservation you want to cancel and tap on it. Now you will see all the details for that booking like check-in date, address and hotel info. Look for the cancel button. It usually near the top or bottom of the page. Tap cancel reservation. Before you confirm, Expedia will show you the cancellation policy. Make sure you read it. Some hotels are fully refundable while the others may charge a fee or be non-refundable. If everything's look good, go ahead and tap yes or cancel reservation. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your hotel booking on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.